Hello students, this is Dr. Sourav sir's class. We are solving Mathematics Optional Paper 1 from UPSC 2024. Here the question comes from that paper which asks us to find the volume of the greatest cylinder which can be inscribed in a cone of height h and semi-vertical angle a. Okay, so this is the figure of the cone and this tiny angle is our angle A, the semi-vertical angle. And let us take the height of the cylinder BH, big H, and the small h is the height of the cone. Okay. So the smaller cone's height will be h minus h. Okay. And let us name the points A, B and C and R be the radius of the circular face of the cylinder. Okay. Now we can say that our R is equal to now what is the big R? Big R is the radius of the cone. Okay. So R equals to H tan alpha and then this is will this will happen. R by R equals to the radius by radius equals to height by height ratio for the smaller cone and the bigger cone. Okay. So using this in this equation we get R equals to H minus H tan alpha. So we know that the volume of the cylinder's formula is this. Okay. So here R is this. So the volume will be H minus H whole square and there will be tan square alpha and H. Sorry, big H. Big H. Now we have to maximize the volume. So to find the maximum volume, we have to differentiate B respect to big H. So we have to find this dVdH which is equals to pi tan square alpha. Then we have to differentiate that thing. Then we get 2H minus H and here is minus 1, so minus 1 into H plus and then it will be constant. Okay, this is our dVdH and the dVdH have to be 0, then we can solve the question by finding the maximum or minimum value of V. Then that parts we are using only this part only. So sorry. Yeah. Okay. Minus 2 H minus H and plus H. It will be H minus H whole square equals to 0. Then I am taking the common thing, the factor out H minus H from this thing. So we get this H minus H equals to 0. Then we will get H minus H plus this thing will be H minus 3 big H equals to 0. So our answers are H equal to H or H big H equal to H by 3. As this is not, this is impossible. Okay. This is impossible. So this is our answer. So the height of the cylinder will be h by 3. When the value, now we are trying to find the maximum value, the maximum value of the volume. Then we are putting the h equals to h3 in our equation. Then we get v equal to pi by, there is h minus h by 3 square, then tan square alpha, then it will be h by 3. So we get pi 2h by 3 square, tan square alpha, then h by 3. Then we will get 4h cube tan square alpha pi by 27, as 9 into 3 equals to 27. So this is our required answer for the question. Hope you understood. Okay, thank you guys.